just how quickly we're seeing this market get worse. It was the worst day for Wall Street since 1987. Leadership or policies and technologies that are good for the environment. This comes from BlackRock over and over again. They say that gun makers should do more to protect American lives, which seems like a step in the right direction. Companies said they would make things safer, but so far, working with authoritarian states has done the same thing. We were given BlackRock money without knowing it, and we have self-imposed duties to help lower that over time. Putting out its numbers this morning. About 1.2% of shares are down. But what it's all about is our ideals. About that company, but it looks like. Are you interested in making money without doing anything by selling automatically on Bybit? There's something free and interesting I want to share with you. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer all day to follow my trades. Just click on the link below. You can also see how much money I make every month from trading by clicking the link in the description. Making money at your own pace is what it's all about. Look it over. Elon Musk has joined the XRP army. If you own XRP tokens or are interested in XRP, you need to read this. What new information do we have about XRP? How does it affect its value? In today's video, I'll answer these questions and also tell you about all the new information about XRP that has caused its price to rise. I'll also talk about how there's still a good chance you could make $1 million with the platform. I spent a lot of time researching this movie, so please watch it all the way through so you don't miss any details that could make the price go up. Before we talk about the first thing, let's look at the chart and see what the XRP price is doing on October 28th. The price of XRP today is $0.55, and $887 million worth of it has been traded in the last 24 hours. Over the last week, the price of XRP has gone up by 5.9%. In the last 24 hours, it has gone up by 0.2%. Out of the 100 billion XRP coins that were made, 48 billion are now in use. Keep in mind that some prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This information is not financial advice, and investing in the cryptocurrency market is risky. Please do your own study before making an investment. If you want to buy or sell XRP, Coin, eToro, and GateHub are some of the busiest trading sites. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's watch the video now. The embarrassed SEC wants $770 million from Ripple as reparations. These are the specifics. A lawyer for pro-XRP named John Deaton brings up new questions about the next step in Ripple's and the SEC's legal fight. John Deaton, an attorney who is defending thousands of XRP holders in the SEC versus Ripple case, has some new ideas about the case's remedy phase. In a recent tweet, Attorney Deaton said that the Securities and Exchange Commission is so embarrassed and angry that it wants $770 million from Ripple as back pay. Ripple sold $770 million worth of securities that were not listed. Deaton said that the XRP Ripple that was offered to institutional buyers was really worth $770 million, which is an interesting number. Did you remember that the court said in July that Ripple's sales to institutions broke federal securities laws? Because of this, the court has ordered the parties to provide a briefing plan for the next step in the remedy. The decision says that the parties have until November 9, 2023, to send in their suggested briefing schedule. In the event that both sides can't agree on a time that works for both of them, they will ask the court to set a time for the hearing. Attorney Deaton said that the SEC wants Ripple to pay all $770 million for selling unregistered securities to institutional investors. The next step, the remedy stage, is coming up fast. Ripple will make the fine a lot smaller. Interesting to note that he thought Ripple would do a lot to get the $770 million fine that the SEC wants lowered by a lot. Deaton says the blockchain company will try to leave out costs like on-demand liquidity, vehicles, XRP sales, salary, and other costs that are allowed for running a business. The lawyer said that Ripple might spend millions of dollars to try to get the SEC to lower its demand for $770 million. As lawyer Deaton went on, "I think Ripple will be able to significantly lower the $770 million number. Elbride made the SEC's rules less strict." The lawyer for XRP talked about how Elbride lowered the SEC's claim during the lawsuit's remedies phase. Deaton says that the SEC told Elbride he had to pay $23 million for selling investors securities that were not listed with the SEC. But after the blockchain company fixed its mistakes for 8 months, the Elbride court said it should pay a $130,000 fine. Deaton stresses the things that must happen before settling down. Deaton also talked about other parts of the legal conflict, like how likely it was that the two sides would come to an agreement. In the tweet, lawyer Deaton made it sound like the SEC's move against Coinbase will have a big impact on whether or not there is a settlement in the Ripple case. Remember that the SEC said in June that Coinbase broke securities laws. As expected, an exchange in San Francisco has already filed a motion to have the SEC's claims thrown out. In answer, Deaton thought that Coinbase might get the SEC to change its mind about cryptocurrencies if it could get the charges against it dropped. After this change, talks may start about a possible deal with Ripple. He did say, though, that the San Francisco-based exchange would not get any money if they lost the case. There was a big fight during the SEC versus Ripple refresher stage. Leading cryptocurrency fans, on the other hand, expect the next step of the SEC versus Ripple legal battle to be very heated. Fox Business reporter Alina Terrett said that people who knew about the situation said there would be a heated argument at the meeting. She said that Ripple is going to try to get the fine lowered, but the SEC wants a big chunk of the $770 million in exchange for the right to brag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back often to make sure you don't miss anything while you're watching the video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's watch the rest of the video now. Ripple works on the XRP project with SpaceX, which is Elon Musk's business partner. Ripple, the payments company that made the Bitcoin token XRP, has teamed up with Jared Isaacman. Surprisingly, Jared Isaacman, Elon Musk's partner in space, has teamed up with Ripple, the payments company behind the cryptocurrency token XRP. Isaacman is the wealthy founder and CEO of Shift4, a company that processes payments. SpaceX will send the company into Earth orbit in 2021 on the Dryden capsule. The latest event was when Ripple officially announced that it would be working with Isaacman on a project to help people. Money given by XRP and a partner of SpaceX. It was officially announced that Ripple would be working with Isaacman to raise money for the Maui Emergency Response Fund through XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Because of this, Donating Block, a company that helps people donate cryptocurrency, has added XRP as an option for nonprofits that want to donate cryptocurrency. The company says that Ripple will be working with Jared Isaacman, CEO of Shift4. To help the Maui Relief Fund, any cryptocurrency gifts up to $50,000 will be matched by 200%. One part of the partnership is donation matching, in which one side meets the other's contribution. In this case, Ripple said it would match Isaacman's gift up to $50,000 and 4 times the amount of cryptocurrency donations that came in. Even though the relationship doesn't clearly show how close the SpaceX partners are to Ripple, it's not clear if there's more to find. A lot of people know Elon Musk from his tweets where he talked about Dogecoin and the 2021 bull run. His tweets had a big effect on the market for cryptocurrencies. SpaceX and Tesla now let people use Dogecoin as payment for business things on their websites. The price of XRP has gone down to where it was before the reading ruling, but it is still not going anywhere. Please know that we are not trying to sell you anything, and this is not a station for giving financial advice. This is also true for today's news. This is just a way to get learning tools sent right to your door. But we will never ask you for money on WhatsApp or any other app, so stay away from con artists. Do not click on any emails or notes that look like they came from our station. Please report all fakes and con artists. The best crypto news station on YouTube is called Token Trend. I hope to see you there again soon. Thank you.